It's a very simple connector. You don't need screw, it's just press. You press and you slot left and right, and this will be connect. So this is 240 volt light bulb, and here is AC, right? If we make the power on and the light is turning on, I'm gonna turn off first. The cable is not enough long if you want to join. I just want to show that, so make sure you unplug. This is a very useful connector, and whenever you cut the cable, you must not cut together too. It must be, you need to cut one by one. It's the best and this is the safe way. Even though there is power is on, you must not cut three together. So it's the best safe way is to cut one by one, right? So we're not short. Okay, so I just want to show this is a connector. It's very simple. Live, and on the ground, and neutral. So there is no need require the screw. So here, according to cable, this is live cable, and in the middle is ground, and the last is a neutral. So this position, this connector is a very convenient. And so let me turn on. So let me turn on the switch. Right, so the light is turning on. I switch off, and if I don't use this connector, right, and I'm gonna use this connector. It's a very convenient as well. There's two. So the two side is safe, but this required to have a screwdriver. So I'm gonna just use test band, live, on the ground, and neutral. Neutral. So make sure the color is matched. This is live cable, and ground and neutral. So I'm gonna connect right here. So this is safe. Alright, so let me turn on the switch. Yeah, this is good. But don't touch the screw connector here, because this is 240 volt. It's very dangerous. Alright, this is a very convenient connector. Yeah, I turn off the switch. I remove. And number 3. Right, and number 3, I've connected. This require no screw. So you just press here, and this will be clear. So there's 3 wire, and of course I'll just go inside here, live, ground, and the neutral. Just slot. It's a very simple and ticked. Then the other side, it's much more safe. Live, and a ground, and this is a neutral. Right, this is very safe. So the voltage maximum is 250 volt, and the ampere is quite high. So let me turn on the switch. Alright, so this is very convenient, this connector. Alright, I hope you like this video. And I just share 3 types of connector. Alright, thank you guys.